TikTok is floating around in the news here. On Sunday, President Trump said media mogul Lachlan Murdoch and tech leaders from Oracle's CEO Larry Ellison to Dell's CEO Michael Dell will take part as investors in a proposed deal to transfer TikTok's U.S. operations from Chinese parent ByteDance to American ownership. The plan would create a U.S.-based joint venture in which American investors, hold a majority stake, with ByteDance limited to less than 20%. The board overseeing TikTok's U.S. operations would reportedly be composed of directors with national security and cybersecurity backgrounds. Murdoch, the CEO of Fox Corp, that's ticker FOXA, solidified his family's control of its media empire, which includes Fox News and the Wall Street Journal. Trump suggested that Rupert Murdoch, the 94-year-old family patriarch, could also play a role. Two people familiar with the matter told the publication that any investment would come through Fox Corp, not the Murdochs as individuals. Ellison, the billionaire co-founder of Oracle and a longtime Republican donor, has previously been linked to TikTok negotiations. He's had a pretty good last couple weeks here, Larry Ellison. Dell was also named by Trump, though his company has not yet commented. The Trump administration, has so far declined to enforce a 2024 law passed under former President Joe Biden requiring TikTok to be divested by January of 2025. Instead, Trump has used the app as leverage in broader trade talks with China. On Friday, Trump confirmed that he had spoken with Chinese President Xi Jinping, calling the conversation progress, and said that the two leaders would meet at the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit in South Korea on October 31st. Trump extended TikTok's U.S. divestment deadline to December 16th, allowing the platform, which counts 170 million U.S. users, to continue operations during said negotiations. Critics argue TikTok poses a national security threat, the fears that Beijing could access U.S. user data and influence public opinion. Supporters say the app has been majority owned by U.S.-based investors, including General Atlantic and Susquehanna International Group, since its launch in 2018. The White House has said any agreement must fully separate TikTok's algorithm from ByteDance to address these ongoing concerns. Shares of TikTok's U.S. rivals dipped on Friday amid this news. That includes stocks like Meta Platforms, ticker META, the parent of Instagram and Facebook. They slipped about 0.25%, while Snap, ticker SNAP, dropped 3.32%, according to Benzinga Pro. So I would ask you folks then, where do you think this is going? Someone asked last week about Snap. Are you trading Snap on the TikTok deal? Are you trading Meta on the TikTok deal? Which one makes more sense to you, folks? To me, the more appealing trade here is Meta, just because I think we can get more out of it. But I'm still not sure how this is all going to shake out. So if you have trade ideas and any of this, if you have trade ideas on any of the things that revolve around TikTok, let the group know. I'm sure that's going to be something we're going to be taking a look at here.